Hello and assalamu alaikum friends, this is Muhammad Awais with another amazing Excel video, and in this video we are going to learn how to hide your formulas using data validation and defined name ranges. So suppose you have a data set and you simply want your end user to add the shipment details of your customers and pop up all the amount receivable in that. So in the input sheet I've created a small little lookup table, and data sheet contains the major data you have. So before moving on to next step, we need to convert our data range into data table or data model. How can we convert that? We can simply click on data range or current region where you are going to work. You can simply select the current region using a shortcut key, control asterisk, or you can omit this shortcut key or step and simply press Ctrl T to convert that to table. Okay, my table has headers. I'm gonna press OK and name it customer table. And in the input sheet, what I want my end user to simply select bill to name from the LOV I'm gonna place here, and rest of the data will pop up here, and the end user will not be able to see the formula or whatever the tricks we are going to use in these cells. So first of all, I'm gonna pull out this name range, customer table, and I'm gonna bill to name. Okay, I'm gonna select this sheet, this range, okay, and copy it. Okay, then I will go to input sheet, and in the desired cell I'm gonna apply data validation using indirect function. So the shortcut key to reach data validation is Alt D L, the shortest key, and there is another key Alt A V. And if you are not really good in using shortcut keys, you can simply go to data tab and select data validation, and there you go. And I'm gonna select list from this, and I'm gonna use indirect function and press enter. So the data validation is applied, and if you see closely, I applied indirect function under the inverted commas because indirect function is a text function and it only reads text. So I simply converted the data table and specified column to a text field so that the indirect function will be able to read that. Okay, and moving on to step 3, I'm gonna apply a simple Vlookup formula that will pull out address, city, province, and phone number, as well as the receivable amount from the customer or the payable amount of the customer. Here you go, Vlookup, and I'm gonna look up this value. I'm gonna hardcode that, and customer table, and the column number is true and false because we want exact match. And here you go. I'm gonna copy this formula, paste it all over the column, okay, Control D. Okay, I'm gonna edit this formula. The city is in column number F3. The province is in column number 4, and phone number is in 5, up, and receivable amount is in column number 6. Okay. And here comes the amazing part, friends, how to hide your formulas. I'm gonna press, if you see the formula, I'm going to simply copy it, and I'm going to name it as range. Name manager, gonna create a new, and I'm just gonna copy this formula in here and name it as address lookup. Okay, lookup. Okay, we are done defining the name ranges, and we can simply change the formula and press Alt L, and you can allow list and press F3 to call the defined name ranges address lookup. Okay, use a plus. Okay, and if you Alt down, if you press Alt down, this will show you the LOV, and you can see address lookup. Okay, I'm gonna use the same thing for all. So I have simply applied the same thing to city, province, phone number, and receiver about relevant fields, and we can test it. I'm gonna select another client name and see if this thing works. See, things are working really perfect, and the user cannot access your formula also. City lookup, and because I used the formula to define it as a name range and used it as a data validation. Thank you very much.